In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Make.com dashboard. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized space where your automations, usage, and activity are easy to monitor at a glance. First, head to your Make account and open the Organizations area. This is where you manage the high-level container for your work, including scenarios, connections, users, and billing. Creating an organization up front keeps everything structured and prevents your personal workspace from getting cluttered as you scale. Next, choose the option to create a new organization. You'll see a simple form appear. This is totally normal. Make uses these details to personalize regional settings and keep your data and time-based automations consistent. Enter an organization name. Pick something clear and future-proof. A good approach is to include your company or team name and if it helps the environment. For example, marketing, production, or operations sandbox. A predictable naming pattern makes permissions, logs, and scenario ownership easy to understand later, especially if multiple teams will collaborate. Now choose a region. This setting often affects data residency and performance. For the best experience, pick the location closest to your primary users or where your compliance policies require data to live. If your team is distributed, favor the region that aligns with your customers or your primary systems to reduce latency. Select your time zone. This drives when schedules fire, how run timestamps appear, and how reporting periods are calculated. Choose the time zone your team plans around day to day. If you run global operations, it's usually best to align with the time zone of your operations or finance team so reporting lines up with your business hours. Choose your country. This helps with localization and may influence billing details. Use the country that matches your legal entity or where your account is administered. When everything looks good, confirm by adding the organization. Make will set up the space and land you in the new environment. From there, open the dashboard. This is your command center. You'll see a snapshot of scenario activity, usage, and any alerts that might need attention. Think of it as your daily health check: what's running, what's idle, and where errors may be happening. As you build more automations, the dashboard becomes more valuable, surfacing trends and helping you prioritize fixes or capacity planning. If something looks off, say a spike in operations, you'll know exactly where to dig deeper. And that's it. You've created an organization and reached your Make.com dashboard, ready to monitor and grow your automations with confidence.